Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a donation with GoFundMe detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the donation transfer process on GoFundMe, visit the GoFundMe website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by signing up with your email address or connecting via Facebook or Google. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign page for the fundraiser you are involved with. Locate the withdraw button, usually found on the right side of the screen. Click on the withdraw button to start the withdrawal process. Next, you will need to ensure that your bank account information is set up. If you haven't entered your bank account details yet, follow the prompts to add your banking information. Make sure to enter the correct account number and routing number to avoid any issues. Once your banking information is complete, select the amount you want to withdraw. If you're transferring donations to another individual, verify that they have a GoFundMe account. In that case, you may need to formally invite them as a beneficiary on the campaign. Provide their email address so they can accept the invitation and link their account. After they've accepted, return to the withdrawal page. Choose the newly added beneficiary from the list. Confirm that the donation amount is correct. Finally, click on the Confirm button to complete the transfer process. You will receive a notification once the transaction is processed. Keep track of any updates regarding the status of the funds. Review your email for confirmation of the withdrawal. If any issues arise, visit GoFundMe's Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.